Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode today. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Upwork. In order to verify your identity, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Upwork account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, and right on top you'll be able to see an option as action required. So in order to verify, click the button. After that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and tap the get started button. So before you tap the get started button, you need to go through the information. As you can see, you'll be required to provide in the following information, that is your ID, and you also need to initiate a video call. Go through the prompt and accordingly you'll need to upload the ID. So make sure that all of the information you have provided is according to your ID. And also, if you're asked to take a picture, make sure to take a clear picture, and while taking a picture, make sure that the background is dark enough so that you have a clear picture. So in that way you can verify your identity on Upwork. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.